going to show you how to scan documents using the Fujitsu fi-7160 series scanner. This is a great desktop scanner when you have medium to small size documents. So nothing too large that you need an extra large scanner for, but more in the 8.5 by 11 size range, as well as letter size paper, A4, and anything as small as checks and licenses. When your scanner is set up and ready to go, and you have all the correct drivers and software installed in your computer, you're ready to scan. Load the paper into the input tray with the text face down and the head of the document going into the scanner. We're going to pull out the tray to better support the paper. We have regular 8.5 by 11 paper, as well as some check size paper. When your paper is loaded and ready to go, you're ready to scan. On the scanner utility, select the appropriate settings you want to scan with, and click Scan to initialize the scan. And that concludes scanning documents on a Fujitsu fi-7160 series scanner.